Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less oil. First, let's focus on transportation, which accounts for a significant portion of global oil consumption. We'll explore practical steps you can take, from choosing alternative modes of travel to adopting more fuel-efficient driving habits. Additionally, we'll touch upon how home energy choices can indirectly contribute to reducing overall oil demand. These strategies offer tangible ways to make a difference in your daily life. One of the most impactful ways to reduce oil use is by rethinking your daily commute. Consider public transportation like buses or trains, which can significantly cut down on individual fuel consumption. For shorter trips, walking or cycling offers a zero-emission alternative, benefiting both your wallet and your health. If driving is essential, explore electric or hybrid vehicles, potentially reducing your fuel use by 50% or more. Carpooling also helps by sharing the journey. Your driving style plays a crucial role in how much fuel your vehicle consumes. By maintaining a steady speed and avoiding aggressive acceleration and harsh braking, you can improve your fuel economy by up to 30%. Ensure your tires are properly inflated. This simple check can boost efficiency by 3%. Removing unnecessary weight from your car and using cruise control on highways also contribute to significant savings, making every drop of fuel go further. Beyond personal transportation, your home and lifestyle choices also influence oil demand. Improving your home's insulation can drastically reduce the need for heating oil, especially in colder climates. Consider switching to renewable energy sources for your electricity, lessening reliance on fossil fuels. Supporting sustainable policies and reducing consumption of goods that require extensive oil in their production and transport are also vital steps. Every choice contributes to a more sustainable future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.